Oh my God. Cheche is here.
Hi! Aunt Julie! So you're the one!
Hello!
I'm so happy to meet you. I've heard so much about you.
Oh, me too.
Your reputation has preceded you, huh?
Ah, yes, of course. Do you like my dress?
I noticed the puff sleeves. Gustong-gusto ko yan. Filipiniana. Filipiniana fan ka ba?
Yes, this is what we call Cheche, the UFL or the ultimate Filipiniana look.
UFL. Matandaan ko nga yan. Makopya nga. Ang ganda. Very nice.
But you know, Cheche, I'm really glad and I'm very thankful because we work together, especially with the fact-checking campaign, diba?
How's it going?
It's doing great, and on social media, of course, there are a lot of positive comments and people are really engaging. And the process of doing this campaign, it's really rigid, but at the same time, with the help of Probe Archives, talagang na-strengthen natin ang ating campaign because of Probe Archives. So, really glad na meron tayong ganon.
We've been collecting this, di ba, Aunt Julie, for so many years. What, 30 years? 25 to 30 years? So para kang nangongolekta ng mga pictures from the past, mga storya na nakalimutan na after 10 years. Pero the archives really provide, kumbaga, mga resibo at saka mga patunay na nangyari ito o hindi nangyari, di ba?
That is true. That's why Probe Archives really helped us with the Check X campaign in terms of finding the right and true information. We have the receipts, we have the files, right? Na magsusuporta doon sa ating campaign. So, again, Cheche, thank you so much. And
But thank you.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you for becoming interested. Kasi sometimes, di ba, Aunt Julie, nakakalimutan natin when something is old, basta isasantabi mo na lang yon, hindi mo napapansinin.
You know what I discovered? Pag nalaman nila ang katotohanan, they support it. Kasi people will say, oh yeah, nakita ko yan, napanood ko yan. So really, pag nakita talaga ng tao, they are the living proof. Kumbaga, another layer of strengthening the campaign. And what I've also realized is that history is important, diba? And having a record of that history is very vital in strengthening the truth. This is a story of all of us, right? History shapes us. It's who we are as a society, diba? As Filipinos. It nurtures us in the present, but not just that, but also our children in the future. When our children ask us na, oh, mommy, daddy, what happened during that time? Oh, this is the proof. And with the help of Probe Archives, mas maiintindihan ng mga bata yon, di ba? Mas maiintindihan ng mga future generations. I'm really looking forward na magkaroon pa tayo ng mga ganito.
Sana. Oh, good idea, Aunt Julie. How does that make you feel as a Filipino?
As a Filipino, it made me realize na, okay, ang history natin, what happened in the past, hindi naman laging maganda, 'di ba? Kumbaga, there's positive, there's negative. But at the same time, it makes me realize na, ay, oo nga, no, nangyari siya. But we have the right tool to correct our wrong. Right? That the history cannot be revised because this is what happened, and we have the proof to show it to them.
What a nice attitude. Ang galing. We cannot revise the past, but we can move forward and correct it. Diba? Salamat sa iyo dahil sa ginagawa mo to para sa ating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aunt Julie. You are a gem and a proud Filipino.
Thank you. You're a true gem also, Cheche. That's why see you very soon. Okay?
Yeah.
And take care always, huh?